Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the interpreter app voice style on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings screen, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on Advanced Intelligence, then tap on Interpreter, and in here, tap on Voice Styles, and from here, select a voice from one of the language. So let's say Japanese. In here, I could choose between Voice 1 and Voice 2. Okay, so select one of the voice, and then tap on the back key. Now if you open up your interpreter app, so interpreter, and then select a language. So here we choose Japanese, and then now we can test it out. Hello, how are you?
こんにちは、お元気ですか?
And that is how you can change the voice style for a particular language. And that's it. You can also, from the interpreter app, you can also tap on the more button and then tap on settings. This will take you to the same settings menu. And from here, you can tap on voice styles. So that is just another alternative way how you can get to this menu. And that's it. Finally, just tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.